Hello guys, before during discussion of Newton's laws of motion and relating it to real life, we have come across a word that is force. So what is force? How can one understand? So if we go through the definition, a force is a push or pull up on an object. That means when we push or pull an object, some force is exerted on it. There are four basic forces, and those are gravitational force, electromagnetic force, weak nuclear force, and strong nuclear force. A force involves an interaction between two or more objects. When we push or pull something, there is an interaction between us and the object. If we look forward to its properties, first one, force is a vector quantity. That means it possesses both direction and magnitude. Second one, since it is an interaction among the bodies, it can change the physical state of an object. Third one, force may change the state of motion of a body. Next question arises why we should concern about it. Is there any significant role in our life? Yes. To move a stationary object, we need to exert force. To change the direction of motion of an object, to change the magnitude of velocity of a moving object, to change the shape of an object, we need force. Now question arises how to measure it? What is the unit? Just like we measure solid things in kg, liquids in liter. Similarly, force is measured with Newton and it is denoted by capital N. So, 1 Newton is the amount of force required to change the velocity of 1 kg object into 1 meter per second. So, we can say anything related to physics has some important role in our life if we try to understand it. Thank you.